What you are looking at now is our crane welding machine. Currently, there are 200 watts, 300 watts, 500 watts, 600 watts. Let's take a look at the overall picture of the machine.
Machine. Release the emergency stop button, turn the power button, and don't forget to release the emergency stop button on the screen. The next step is to adjust the focus. Look at the screen and rotate the joystick. When the image on the screen becomes clearer and clearer, the focus has been adjusted. In addition, you can also lift and move freely to adjust your work.
The left and right buttons on the operating lever are: the right one is for single welding and the left one is for continuous welding. Our human eye observation area can also be adjusted to a width that suits you, combining ergonomics. In addition, our workbench can also be raised and lowered. We have a foot pedal. Stepping on the left side will raise it, and stepping on the right side will lower it. If you are interested in our machines, please contact us.